What's happening, traders? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to the next part in the My Forex Funds Challenge. Today we're looking at oil. We've got something setting up right now, so let's get into the charts. Okay guys, so jumping into the charts, what we have here is a breakout trade of the overnight highs or lows. Now in this case it is the lows. So we've got the overnight range here. This is the Asia range, as you can see marked out with this. We have a breakout of the overnight lows here. You can see we've tried before, couldn't do it, and then we've finally done that with a big volume push and closed below. So what I'm basically waiting for now is for this candle potentially to flip bearish and take out the low of this candle, for us then to potentially ride the continuation down. Now as you can see, we've been in an upward trend for a while, making new highs and lows, higher highs and higher lows. We then made a new higher high, and then we've created a new higher low, because this is the last higher low here. Okay, and we've broken that, changing the character of the trend, and then we've kind of made a new lower high here, and this is also a new high low, lower high. Oh my god! So we're going to look for price to potentially turn around from here and push down. So let's see how it goes. I've got some alert sets. We'll come back in a minute. Okay guys, so that candle has now flipped bearish, which hasn't given our entry yet, so we're waiting for this break of a candle low, but we have flipped bearish, which is a good sign. We've created a large top wick. In some cases this could be an entry because the wick, this top wick is larger than the bottom wick, and we've flipped the candle's flipped. That could always be an entry as well, but we're going to wait for the break of the candle low here, and hopefully we can ride this down to create a new lower low and continue this sort of downward momentum which we've had over the last sort of few hours. So let's see how it goes, and hopefully we can get to that first TP. Hopefully we get to that entry in a second. We're getting closer and closer to our potential entry point here, so I'm going to wait for price to cross a threshold there, and if we get that, then we're going to go in for a $1 trade entry. Okay, pushing down, and there's our entry. Okay, so we've got the entry locked in, and we're going to go for our stop loss, which is up there at 74.04. I will just amend this slightly. Now this is quite a large lot size, but it's looking like a fairly decent trade, so we're going to stick with this. The first TP is down here. Okay, so every time there's a tick, or every time this moves, it's a 50p price change. We're now pushing into profit, just slightly. So we'll let this run, and momentum's coming in. We have flipped up. We didn't want to continue up to the upside. We respected this candle's high, broken this candle's low, and we have, as you see, a change in the character of the trend here, which is a good sign that price was going to potentially want to make a new lower low below this low, after making a new lower high here. So that's kind of what we're going for, and hopefully we can get down there pretty quick. So let's see how it goes. Alright then guys, so we've had a nice push down into some profit. We're about halfway to our first TP currently. Currently around $18 in profit. So and the beauty about trading oil is there's no commissions on it, even on my Forex funds. So $18 is $18, which is awesome. So let's see how we push down, and hopefully we can get to our first TP. As I say, then we can take 80% out, so we take 80 cents of the runner out, of the trade out, leave 20 cents running, and yeah, see if that bad boy will keep going. I mean, there is a high chance we could see that, so let's see how it goes. Okay, and volumes come in. We've pushed down a hell of a lot, as you can see, which is super cool. I'm actually just going to go for our first TP here, just because I want to lock in that profit, and the difference is going to be very small. It's a nice round $20 there. We've got $5 left in the runner currently, and I'm going to bring that stop loss down to break even. 3, 4. And then we're going to let this one run. So a successful little trade there, and yeah, we'll have a update shortly with how the runner's doing. So see you in a bit. Alright then guys, so I've just closed that runner out purely because I feel that we're going to come up to break even before we push any further down, and I want to lock in that extra $4.70, making it a $24.70 day profit, which is fantastic. And yeah, we're on a good streak on our way to getting this challenge done. So, gonna leave the video there. If you aren't already, please like and subscribe. Check out the links in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.